Hey everybody, what is going on? Today I have such an amazing video for you guys, and it is from my sponsor, that is Alpena. They have sent me out a free underglow kit for my car to show to you guys and show you how it works and how we're going to put it together. So this is the first in a series of videos. This will be the unboxing video. So let's grab our underglow kit and get it out of the box. Alright, so the first thing I just have to mention is they must know I really like stickers, because they sent me out a ton of stickers. I absolutely love stickers, so I'm so happy that they sent me these. They're going on my car 1000%, 100% going on my car. So here's our box. It's a really nice box, and I love their packaging here. And so you can see that included, you're going to get 2 of these 50 centimeter light strips and 2 of the 91 centimeter light strips. These are going to be for your sides, and this is going to be for the front and for the back. So let's go ahead and open it. On the inside here you can see all the different color options, as well as the app you're going to download to control these. We'll download that in our install video. So let's get inside, and we're going to do it right here from the side. Let's just get the tape off there. And make sure we're not missing anything. We are. So a little bit of pamphletry right there. I'm telling you just about how to do this. Once again, we're going to have a video on this here very shortly. So here's one of our strips. They look really high quality. I mean, you can just see the quality on those light strips compared to like your generic strips that you can find on eBay or whatever. Here's some of our cabling. Here's a 3M adhesive pad that's going to be for our box right here, so that we can mount this box wherever we want to put it, because this will be connecting to our car battery using these 2 little connectors there. We've got some more wiring here for you as well, and a bunch of zip ties to get you all figured out. So now that we've got our strips, we're just going to take a look at one of these smaller ones here for just a second. So if we get up nice and close here, you can see the quality on these strips right here. You can see their branding, as well as just how powerful those LEDs are right there. I'm super excited to get this underneath my car. I think it's going to look absolutely fantastic. I'm going to be installing this on a Ford Fusion. It's a fairly long car, so if it will fit on my car, I can almost guarantee you it will fit on just about anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like on it, as well as comment your thoughts and opinions, and stay tuned for the installation video.